Hi, my name is Don, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Styrian pumpkin oil, remembering that all the information given here was taken from the official website. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us via WhatsApp for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Styrian pumpkin oil is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching about, because Styrian pumpkin oil has been the subject of several fakes. I left the link to the official Styrian pumpkin oil website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website you will find several real testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of Styrian pumpkin oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also, check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Styrian pumpkin oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Styrian pumpkin oil, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Styrian pumpkin oil works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help you to maximize your life quality. That's because the Styrian pumpkin oil is all natural, and the scientifically proven ingredients in this formula promote healthy by providing special super compounds you're not getting through regular food. Are you looking for a healthy and delicious way to elevate your cooking? Look no further than Styrian pumpkin seed oil. Made from the finest, organic pumpkins grown in Austria, our oil is cold-pressed and handcrafted to retain its unique and rich nutty flavor. It is high in vitamin E and a natural source of essential fatty acids, making it a heart-healthy choice for cooking. Its unique taste makes it perfect for salad dressings, marinades, and as a finishing oil for soups, stews, and vegetables. But the benefits don't stop there. Styrian pumpkin seed oil is also packed with antioxidants, beta-carotene, and dietary fiber, making it not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It is a versatile ingredient that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, making it a must-have in your kitchen. And when you choose Styrian pumpkin seed oil, you're not just getting a healthy and delicious ingredient, you're also supporting sustainable and traditional farming practices. Our pumpkins are grown using organic methods, preserving the natural taste and nutritional value of this unique ingredient. Don't settle for ordinary oils. Try Styrian pumpkin seed oil today and experience the taste, nutrition, and tradition of Austria in every dish. Styrian pumpkin oil focuses on tackling problems with poor nutrient metabolism. With Styrian pumpkin oil, you will get the following benefits: delicious nutty taste, antioxidant protection, bladder and kidney health, supports prostate health, healthy weight loss. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also, for Styrian pumpkin oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Styrian pumpkin oil has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural. The formula contains natural ingredients such as curcubita pepo, omega-6, omega-9, omega-3, fatty acids, and many others natural elements rich in great properties, 100% of natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Styrian pumpkin oil, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee, there's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Styrian pumpkin oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Products platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Styrian pumpkin oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Styrian pumpkin oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. ingredients. Thanks for watching the video and see you at the official website of Styrian Pumpkin Oil for more information and details. Big hug and until next time.